Have you ever looked at your painting and thought, why does this feel so hard? All those brushes, all those rules, and the painting still doesn't feel like you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint it simple, the way I actually paint, with a palette knife, a strip of blue masking tape, and my favorite secret tool, a crumpled paper towel. That's it. These three tools together give you something no textbook technique can teach. An organic, almost accidental way of creating that lets your creative mind lead. Bit by bit, the painting surprises you. If you're ready to let go of the rules and just explore, stick around, because this one might change how you paint forever. And we're using the palette knife to apply the paint to the panel. And it's just an easy way, and you get all those subtle sky effects, like cloud effects, without even trying too hard. So at first we were using the cobalt blue on the edges, and then adding up with titanium white, and always blend it with your blending brush to make it nice and smooth. And later on I explain why you need to do that every time when you have applied paint on your panel. And here we're just adding up some Indian yellow and a little bit more orange colors as well. And when you use a little bit more yellow colors, you don't want to go too close to that blue, cobalt blue or ultramarine blue, whatever you use on sky, because it's gonna turn green. So keep that titanium white between the blue and yellow or orange colors. And also using your edge of your palette knife, I add some ultramarine violet. Palette knife is very versatile tool as well, creating the sky and the clouds. And in here I'll do the twisting paper towel now, and I just tap it on a flat surface of the paint, and which is in this case is the Payne's gray and a little bit ultramarine violet as well mixed. It's just a very easy way to creating those clouds, just a very organic way to do the clouds. When I have done the few of them, and then I just blend it with my blending brush, and then I take the new clean paper towel and I crumple it up first and make it different shapes. And in this case I'm just using a little bit more lighter Payne's gray mixed with the titanium white, and it's just an easy way to create those clouds. Paint and simple, I like that word because that's actually how I do my paintings. I keep it simple as possible, and I don't change my brushes all the time and think about what expensive brush would do this and that. I just keep it very simple, and paper towel technique makes it a very easy way to paint. Another tool what I use is the blue masking tape as well. Like you can see, I just created the horizon right in the middle, and now I'm ripping the blue masking tape in the middle and getting those mountain shapes on that ripped blue masking tape. And I just add on my painting and just make sure that it's all nice and neatly on the painting. And obviously when you do masking tape technique, you have to make sure that the painting is totally dry, otherwise you wouldn't put your masking tape on a fresh painting. So this painting is very dry, so I'm just adding the ocean horizon and the mountain, and then I'm just adding up the Payne's gray paint, and then I'm just crumpling the paper towel again, and then I just wipe it and blending, and even bending the paper towel as well, and a little bit linseed oil on the paper that it swipe the painting out a little bit easier. We are basically just blending and getting that underpainting shine through underneath that Payne's gray paint. And now I was twisting my paper towel, and this is a very organic way to do those three trunks, and this is like a mangrove tree, and it's very organic way to do those trunks. And I'm using the point of that paper towel as well, and I just find it gives that a little bit extra effect on tree trunks, and just a fun way to do it as well. And then you can just twist a little bit more tinier pointed paper towel, and you can just add those tiny branches on your main tree trunk. And I don't always get it right in the first time, so I just work on it and work with it, and then you can just wipe it as well, shape it up if you made a mistake. And now I'm just tapping up those tree foliage using olive green, and olive green is transparent color, so it's a good on the tree foliage because you can make it very organic way as well, tapping up with your paper towel. At first make it very thick layer, and then you can change your paper towel again and just highlight it on the top. Don't throw your brushes away, you still need them. My favorite brush is the angle brush, and you can like you can see I started from the tip and then I just press a little bit harder and it goes thicker, so it's very handy. Create those plants as well. And now I got the palette knife, little palette knife, and very flat paint on the palette knife. So because this painting is dry and I got all those texture on the bottom there, and I just moved my palette knife flat with the paint underneath, very little paint, and it just highlight those little bumps, and very easy to get those highlights. And with this painted simple palette knife technique, you just add up a little bit of titanium white on your edge of the palette knife and you get those little tiny waves, and it is very calm seascape what we have here, because we got these nice reflection of the sky, so we can't do too much with our ocean waves. And I'm just adding up some of the tree branches, and this kind of painting is perfect for oil painting for beginners, because you just don't have to think about too much, because I didn't have any prefer seascape picture what I go for. You just add what you feel on your painting, and sometimes even me, I just go for it, and sometimes it works very well. But this is tree what I'm creating right in the middle is very ugly, and I didn't like it at all. And then I thought how I can fix it. You can either wipe it off or start again, but I just kept creating and shaping it up, and eventually it just sort of worked out to be okay. I just had to add a little bit more stronger tree branches, and then I just add those tree foliages, and it worked out okay. That is one reason why oil painting techniques are just a little bit different than the acrylic paint. And acrylic painting got it all advantage as well, but I like that you have more time to shape up with your oil paint. And I like the transparency of the colors as well, because you can play with them. Like I'm just playing with my olive green color. And if you are interested on my paper towel technique a little bit more deeper, I have it in my channel Supporter Explorer members, where I show you a little bit more deeper all the techniques what I use on my paintings. So you are more than welcome to join me there as well. Now our painting needs a little tall ship, and very tiny tall ship, and your palette knife is great to do those long masts on your boat, and it's a great tool to do all the tiny little straight lines with it. And I got this tiny palette knife, what I use, very tiny details. And here I'm just creating with my pinky a little reflection for the ship as well, and just tied it up as well with my paper towel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because I got plenty paintings coming every week, and different seascape, landscape, anything what I feel like and what people are asking me to painting. And I got this little tiny trick for the tiny moon, and it's a cotton stick is very handy as well. Just dip it on your titanium white, and there you go, you got your moon, very round. And again, I appreciate your time. If you're interested in another sea escape video, I got them right here. Thank you so much. Bye now.